Today's pork dish is about as good as they come.
Perfectly grilled chops basted with this amazing sweet and savory sauce.
Juicy, tender pork chops with an Italian Agrodolce mushroom sauce is a true masterpiece.
Oh, people, every bite is a taste of heaven.
It is. Oh. It is. I tell you, we've been waiting for this one because it is a doozy. All right, let's get going. I'm going to turn my heat up a little bit. I've got a nice medium or size large skillet. I've got about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and we're going to start sauteing some mushrooms. I have left these whole just because I think it's kind of fun.
I think they're great when they're whole.
I do too. These are baby Bellas, and just make sure you wash them off a little bit. Maybe a little bit of dirt.
They're like little meatballs.
Right. You could, of course, they are like little meatballs, and of course you could quarter these and have them, or you could slice them if you like.
With those whole ones right there are perfect for these giant pork. What are they? Pork loin rib chop from Mangalitsa Estates.
You've heard us talk about these this pork farm before. It is the best of the best.
Look at this, their wonderful pink color, its signature because of this wonderful, marbling that just is, this pork melts in your mouth.
Yeah,
it is so good.
It's really, really great.
And these, forget about it. I think you'll be like, I don't think I want another pork chop.
I know. I think we'll
anyway, I got to salt and pepper this.
Divide those between the two of us. You can, so we're good friends with these, this incredible Mangalitsa. We're going to extend this wonderful discount to you guys. We've got the website. Go to and you Mangalitsaestates.com, and then
use the code.
Apply the discount code Loon15 and for 15% off.
Yes.
You guys, you will not regret it. Okay.
Hold on, I'm gonna get these nice.
Oh boy, that's right.
Peppered, and I love a good seasoned pork chop.
Yeah, well, you take your time. So anyway, we're going to grill these. You can also do these on the stove, but grilling is so good. I'm going to just continue to saute these until they get nice and soft, and that's going to take probably about 15 minutes. And then we make a sauce that is to die for.
So good.
Oh, I love the smell. So it's just all we've got right now is just some mushrooms and butter, but
it smells so good.
Smells so yummy. So now, obviously, if you're using whole mushrooms like we here, and you're not quartering them or slicing, it may take a little bit longer, but that's okay. They'll start to release their liquid just a little bit. So now we are going to build this sauce that we were talking about. This is, you want to go with some good quality, preferably aged balsamic vinegar. This is the I
love it.
The savory, you could say, and that is the half a cup of that. Now this is honey.
Oh.
And, this adds, of course, the sweetness. I know it is.
It's just the name Agrodolce sauce.
I know.
It's first of all,
you excited.
It sounds fancy, but it literally is 3 ingredients.
I know.
And that's like. Your guests will be like, you made a what? I made an Agrodolce.
I know, like you so fancy. So anyway, so that was a quarter cup of honey that I put in there, and then I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit. And now I'm going to. It does not need a little salt. I'm going to do probably about. That's okay. I can just eyeball it. Oh, I would say that's about that. Rosemary. I put rosemary in there. I don't know if I was able to say that or not.
So good.
Anyway, that's like a quarter cup of black pepper, and we're just going to cook this, and there's a certain aroma to it that will make your nostrils light up,
and your stomach say howdy.
And your tummy say howdy. And so this is just we're going to turn this down even a little bit more to a nice medium.
We made this sauce with haddock.
Yeah.
This fish, and
it's incredible. It's incredible on anything. You could just sit there and eat the sauce by itself, which you practically do. But anyway, it really pairs beautifully with pork.
So
all right,
amazing.
We're going to let this just continue to cook, and what's going to happen is it's going to reduce, and it's going to just completely make these mushrooms over the top in deliciousness, and it's going to turn into almost like a glaze. Then it's time to fire up the grill and cook these babies, and then we're almost done. Okay, this the smell.
Oh, look, it's leaving a little trail.
Yeah, so that's when you know it's ready. Like Wesley said, it's good. You know, you run your spatula or a spoon through there, and it leaves a trail, and it will thicken also as it sits. So, all right, you got your grill fired up.
I got my grill fired up. I got my pork chops here.
Yum yum yum.
It's like a Sunday right now.
It's like a Sunday. So while you go put those go ahead. I'm gonna.
You're gonna get some of that.
Put a
so
little bit
have...
of this glaze off to the side.
But
here.
we don't glaze this until we've grilled it for a little while.
Right. So go do that. I'll be out there momentarily. You guys, this is so exciting. Wesley. Oh my gosh, look at those. Wow. That.
And they're basted and glazed to perfection.
They are, and you cook those till they got to like 135, 140.
Yeah, using our trusty Thermo Pro,
which just like the wonderful Mangalitsa Pork, you can get a discount. We've got all of that included. So now, I've just been keeping this, doesn't that look amazing? This sauce, just on low heat, you know, just to keep it warm. It's gonna, and I keep coating these mushrooms. So those steaks, oh my gosh, those look amazing. That is restaurant quality. So now, of course, we've got a little more butter. We're going to finish this off. This is a luxurious dish, without a doubt.
Just a little more butter.
Everything's better with butter. And we're just going to make this sauce even more luxurious. Those are going to continue cooking for about another 5 minutes, and then we plate and go to heaven. Okay, this is a moment I have been waiting for my entire life, I think. All right, I need a forklift for this. You think you'll be able to eat that?
Those poor mashed potatoes are gone.
I know, those are our homemade mashed potatoes. Yeah.
Y'all.
That's epic.
Y'all. Chris, you got a big one.
Mine's bigger than yours. Now,
all right, let's do that.
I would like to say Mangalitsa is like the best of the best, and but these aren't the only types of pork chops they have. They have other ones that are not quite this giant. We've had multiple. Oh, look at this, Wesley.
Come on over here.
Okay, let me give you plenty of this sauce.
Oh, look at that, you guys. Oh, yes, right there. Oh, careful! Don't get flinging my sauce. Oh,
I know. All right, now I'm going to give myself some. I have not had this much anticipation.
So we've made these before, but our pork chops weren't this large. So
well, that's what I was saying.
I think we needed bigger plates.
I know. Well, that's what I was saying. That although these pork chops are to die for, but they also feed 4 people, which is perfect for us.
Look at that.
Gosh, I don't even know where to begin.
I'm cutting right in. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Okay, I'm dying already.
Oh, this.
Okay.
This pork. Okay. You got to get a mushroom.
Oh. Well, I might go back for a mushroom.
Okay. Oh, the sauce. Oh, you got yourself a good piece there. Okay. We ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this. It's the trifecta of flavors.
I got a big piece.
Yeah. That pork,
that sauce,
and that sauce, and those mushrooms.
The pork and the sauce together.
Yeah.
Is absolutely ridiculous.
I'd say it's even better than pork chops and applesauce.
And then.
That was just on TV the other day.
Okay, I gotta taste this mushroom now. Oh,
the
man.
mushrooms, I know.
Oh.
They are like little meatballs on, oh my goodness gracious.
All right, I have to go there. This is 1,000,000% Luna approved. Oh, Go to Mangalitsa.com, Mangalitsastates.com, order this, and you will not be disappointed.
And make this agrodolce.
I'm gonna just use my hands here in a second, like Fred Flintstone.
I know you don't want to watch that, or maybe you do. All right, you guys, we love you.
Oh,
Have pork chops.
yes, and it's almost spring.
Woohoo! All right, bye everybody.